If you believe that plants are beings, how do you communicate to another being that is not like us?
Hi, everybody. This is Victoria Vesna, and you're listening to Vibrations Matter. I talk to artists, scientists, and everybody who's interested in light, sound, and frequencies. Join me.
Resistance that can never resist the earth or predict the intercourse of tectonic plates.
So it's the two questions asked to each artist that I work with. What is the idea of a plant? And how would you talk to it?